You know what's just as effective as layering perfume? Layering lotions together. Can you guess what we're going to chat about this time? Today we shall discuss lotion layering. What is it? And is it effective? And dare I say, more so than layering perfume. So I wanted to get into this just because this idea is not mine, but I decided to test out a theory, including perfume oils, we're going to get into it, that I just simply decided to test out a theory that I saw in a Facebook group that I am in that discusses everything smell goods and body care. And so I gathered together a couple of the lotions over the past couple of months that I've been just casually layering together, and then just show you all the nature of lotion layering. So let's put this to the side. So what is a lotion layering? I know you're wondering, you got that itching question. And if you don't, you're still wondering, you can lay a lotion? Yes, you can. I had the same question. Lotion layering is the art of, is the practice of simply using your lotions and layering the scent of one with the scent of another in the exact same way that you use the scent of one perfume with another perfume. And the same concept goes for fragrance mist as well. You're just doing it with lotions. And I'm gonna tell you if it's even more effective than perfumes or fragrance mist. When I saw that post a couple months ago in the Facebook group I'm in that discusses everything hygiene, I said, you know, I'm going to put it to the test and see if that works. Because it's one thing to layer perfumes and fragrance mist. I've layered a fragrance mist with a perfume, or perfume with a perfume, or perfume, a fragrance mist, and a perfume oil. But lotions, I had never heard of that concept before. So I said, I got to give it a try. I always love to try brand new things. And so I have been heavily layering with this vanilla cashmere. Even today, I have layered 3 things today when I showered. I have layered vanilla cashmere from EOS, but I don't fall for hype. I had to find it for myself, and it's worth the hype, so that I can say. And then I layered that with OGX Shea Soft and Smooth Lotion. This got to be really fun. I took and went behind it, and this was in no particular order, with Philosophy's Gingerbread Man, this glazed body sulfur. And what I have found is that when you layer lotions together, a couple things come into factor. Formula comes into factor, texture and consistency comes into factor, and then lasting power. Yes, there's a such thing as lasting power that comes into factor for body creams, body sulfurs, body lotions, body milk, whatever they want to call it. That's the equivalent of a lotion. What matters is the formula first. What is the formula meant to do? So for OGX, this is a relatively kind of on a thinner side of the spectrum, but it has a bit of lasting power. This is a silicone-free formula lotion. I think OGX is very heavy with that, at least with the body care side of things. If we're going for that, then silicone-free must mean that this is what makes. Now keep in mind, I have no prior knowledge of silicone-free. I just know that it's a different type of formula rather than if you watch my lotion video on textures and types and how to put it on due to its thickness. This baby here, silicone free, and it's one of the thinnest out of the bunch of all the OGX lotions and body creams I have. Silicone free, even if it had silicone in it, if it's a thinner type of formula, you're more than likely going to use more of it because you feel like you're not going to moisturize with it enough. And then however much fragrance is in it as well, mixed along with your body chemistry, because body chemistry is what, class? Body chemistry is everything. If you can put this on while walking out there smell like an orange, Because your body chemistry. Like, I don't like it. Your body chemistry say, I don't like it. I reckon I make you smell like an orange tree. Don't. And you'll be mad and think it's the lotion. And it's not the lotion. Don't throw this good lotion away or whatever it is. Body chemistry. You can change that. Then we look at a more thicker, creamier, luscious version. Let's see what this is intended for. This EOS Shea Butter formula. Never mind the fact right now, because we're focusing on what this is specifically formulated for, other than the fragrance. Outside of that, let's put the fragrance to the side for a quick moment. Our 24-hour body lotion with instantly moisturizing shea oil, lasting protection. Shea butter quickly absorbs for 24-hour hydration. So it absorbs quickly. It has an oil base. Lasting protection. So it's supposed to have lasting protection of moisture is what I'm catching. It's lightweight, but it's still thicker than the OGX. Did you catch that? Let's see if silicones is in this. I do not see any silicones in here. The formula is definitely different and definitely thicker than OGX. And then let's look at glazed body sulfur from Philosophy, the gingerbread man. Just says glazed body sulfur. Let's take a look at the ingredients here. It has glycerin in it, it has perfume fragrance. I'm seeing that within the first 3 to 5 or either 5 to 10 ingredients of fragrance perfume is listed in that order. Just in case you don't know, when it comes to body care products and just products in general you're applying externally, personal care specifically, that I've noticed a pattern of the ingredients are listed in the order of how much is in it. So if water's listed first, that means that's the largest percentage of what is in it. If fragrance is listed first, that's the largest amount of what is in it. Just give you a quick lesson right there. I do not see any silicones. Not that we're looking for silicones here, but for the most part, this is thick, creamy, and luscious as well, and very, very fragrant. So you're seeing where we have a lightweight formula that is fragrant. Then we have a thick formula that's fragrant. Then we have a medium consistency, kind of thickums, and it's very fragrant. So although I have layered that stuff together, now we have a different type of formula to talk about. Bodycology. These are on the drier side of the spectrum of things. What does that mean? I would say that, I would beg to differ, that body creams and body lotions that apply on the drier side of the spectrum, they apply kind of dry-ish. I'm gonna get into that in a moment. And like they absorb fast and you feel like you didn't put on anything. Those work to your advantage with the lotion layering specifically, and in the summertime. Just because it's on a drier side of the spectrum, you're going to get the moisture. Not much as you want to, but you're going to get more of the fragrance, but the fragrance is going to stand out because there's no oils or whatever that would normally be in it that would make it greasy. There's nothing in there to keep it from standing out. We have Bodycology. We are going to layer 2 unorthodox type of scent categories together. We got our Spice Pumpkin from Bodycology, and we have our Strawberry Cheesecake from Bodycology here. Strawberry there. How do you lotion layer? You take the scent you want to start with first, and you begin layering your lotions exactly how you do a perfume. Perfume structure is base notes, middle notes, and top notes. And so you want to do it like that. You don't have to necessarily use 3 lotions, but if you want to and really make it kind of complex, you could do that. That's your business. I done it. I'm wearing 3 of them today. And I just, OGX Shea Soft and Smooth, Vanilla Cashmere, and Glazed Body Sulfur, the gingerbread man from Philosophy. Right now I'm demonstrating with 2. So let's get this Bodycology here. And you can see it looks moisturizing, but it's absorbing fast. And this is the type that's on the drier side of the spectrum. It's gone. Now what do you smell? More of the scent. Because whatever formula has made it where it absorbs fast and applies kind of dry, where it dries up fast. it keeps the scent. It holds the scent better. You can wait a little bit and fan your hand. Or if you're doing this in a rush, or if you're doing this and you don't want to take the time to do that, you're fresh out of the shower, you're fresh out of the bathtub, then as you're getting ready to put on this lotion, the draft from you getting out the shower is going to catch you and dry it down. And then you can go in with Bodycology's Spiced Pumpkin, another dry base type of lotion that is moisturizing. It just absorbs fast, which means it's going to hold more of the scent due to the formula being like that. Strawberry and spiced pumpkin. Now with greasier lotions, you would have to wait until you apply one, wait a few minutes, or towel pat dry. I'll be careful with that because you might be wiping off some of the product, and then go back in with another greasy lotion. If it's going to be greasy lotion back to back, or greasy and then a drier type of lotion, and wait in between applications of different lotion scents. So right now, that's almost done drying on my hand here. Now, what I'm wearing on the rest of my body, putting together glazed body supple, putting together OGX Shea Soft and Smooth, and then Vanilla Cashmere. I mean, I literally wasn't trying to do it, but I said, you know, I'm gonna just grab it because I want to smell like this, and then I want to smell like this, and then I want to smell like this, and then I look back, I'm like, I have layered all three of them now. And it smells heavenly. I can't tell the difference between when one starts and when the other starts. Not that I was paying attention. There is something I can't think of right now that I've been layering really heavily with Vanilla Cashmere. And it has been such a joy to behold. And I think it is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I've just been trying to get this out the way. Vanilla and pumpkin together with lotion layering. And it all depends on the formula across brands. For the most part, if it has lasting and has pretty good lasting and staying power, and it's pretty moisturizing, if one is thick or both is thick, one is thin and one is not, or both of them are, as long as you apply it and then give it a few minutes to let the air, based on the bathroom or wherever you're applying it, let the draft catch it first and let it dry, then you'll be set and ready to go. I've definitely been layering these two together. I can't remember the last time or even the first time. I just picked it up and started layering it together. I think I've also been layering the Gingerbread Man from Philosophy together, as well as Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Two different formulas, kind of thickums, kind of thin-ish. But the key to lotion layering, I feel like it would be much better than Perfume, because you could reapply, you're not misting it out, and it depends on the formula at which you're applying. What's going to make it 10 times more effective is if you lotion layer your items and then come back behind it and perfume layer with similar type of scent. So if I have a pumpkin type of scent, a pumpkin type of perfume, or a perfume with one of the notes, strongest notes being pumpkin, and then I have a perfume, which there's plenty out there, that has a note where the vanilla is the strongest, the closest to Vanilla Cashmere, then you could really maximize your whole body care routine. Lotion layering, I've really been liking it. I've just been doing it on the go ever since I found out about it in this Facebook group that I'm in. And it's been such a joy to behold, because I don't have to worry about sneezing and clearing the room. You see what I'm saying? But then I also love perfume layering equally the same. And then it gives you an outlet to be creative, especially if you don't have an extensive perfume collection as well. If you'd like to see more videos like this where I discuss layering of any kind, not just lotion layering, then on either side, I'm going to have a playlist for you all to enjoy. Until next time. Love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient, it is kind, it does not envy or boast, and it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad. And it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,